What's going on, y'all? Today we doing one of my favorites, salmon. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So as always, y'all, first thing we gotta do, we gotta go ahead and rain on it, hit it with that salt, and then we gonna let it sit on this skin side for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we gonna go ahead and hit it with a little pepper. Give it a flip. Then after we give it a flip, we gonna go ahead and season that flesh side with some salt, pepper, dill, and some seafood seasoning. Now after we get it seasoned up, we gonna go ahead and cut it right down that center line. Just like this, y'all. Just like this. And after we get it cut in half, we gonna go ahead and get 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan, y'all. In a pan. And then get that beautiful salmon straight in. Of course, we want that oil hot before we put it in that pan, y'all. And then we gonna give it a shake after about 2 minutes. And then probably after about 2.5 to 3 minutes, that skin should release from that pan. And we gonna flip it on over, y'all. Flip it on over. And we gonna do the same thing for this side. That'll give you a perfect medium, y'all. Perfect medium. Now once I got that salmon where I want it, I went on and played it up, y'all. Now I put my salmon straight over a bed of rice and onions and added a little bit of broccoli. And as soon as I got that on, I went on and got me some diced tomatoes into a pan. That same pan we cooked that salmon in, drawing on that flavor. And I hit that with a little salt, pepper, a little bit of oregano, and a little bit of honey. And then I got that right over the top of everything, y'all. And everything came together so well, y'all. Oh my goodness. So let me go ahead and give me a bite. Now this salmon is so tender, fork tender, y'all. Which all salmon is fork tender, but hey, this is extra juicy. And then you got that beautiful tomato sauce with that honey and a little bit of that rice. I've been on a rice kick lately, y'all. I miss my rice. But let me go ahead and get this bite, y'all. And oh yeah, I'm loving that honey and that tomato on that salmon. And definitely with that rice. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.